It's me and Riley.
Hi.
Our Awesome Gamer and SWR Awesome, if you want to call us that, Roblox names. Follow us on Twitter. Right?
You don't have a Twitter.
I don't know why I said that. Where did you go? Wait, what is it?
Okay, wait, I didn't read the I didn't read the thing, but I'll tell you inside.
Okay, what is it?
Okay, well, it's not loaded yet, okay? Okay, it is cutest guy.
Oh, we all have to be a guy.
I think I might be pretty good.
Yes, I'm really cute. Everybody calls me cute in my school. Isn't that right?
I think you might want to sit up because all they can see is your forehead.
Oh, yeah. Oh, okay. I think I'm gonna look really cute. Yeah. Okay. Where am I walking in first? Oh, I have to pay VIP. I don't want to do it. We do that later. Ooh, I need to be muscular. Cute. What is cute?
Actually, I kind of want to troll some people and make myself a dinosaur.
What?
Don't make myself a tiny little dinosaur. Okay, that would be really cute.
Yeah, it actually will. Cutest little guy.
Okay then.
Okay, David. Do that.
Okay, I'm actually just gonna keep going. This is hard.
Yeah, it's really
I'm sweating. I'm kidding. I'm actually not sweating.
This is really hard. I won't know. I do not know.
Ow, no.
What do I wear?
You're not cute.
What?
Ending. Oh my god.
How rude.
Can you accept a joke for once?
No.
No.
What happened? Stop, girl! Let's go. That girl over here, girl. I have no idea.
Okay. Yes. I like it. Because I like everything.
Of course you do. Look! I'm blue! Oh no! I'm blue!
Yeah.
I'm going. Yay, I'm blue. Yay. Oh no, I'm gone! I'm gone!
It disappeared.
I'm back.
Spooky.
Yay. I love being Scoopy. I almost said Scoopy. I'm very Scoopy.
Okay, I'm done.
I'm
I just
Scoopy.
want to show you guys what I look like, so, Sam, just stay there.
I'm in the headphones.
Where are you?
I'm in the headphone aisle.
Oh,
Wait,
no,
wait,
wait, stop. This is me.
Let's see.
That's me, right here.
Okay.
This is me. I'm this guy. I'm the one who's jumping.
Yeah, that's
I look really good.
Yeah.
I like mine.
David. I keep saying David. David, a shout out to you. Please watch this video, David.
Do you even know David? Yeah. Oh.
David, what's up, David? You watch some of our videos, of my videos. Now they all deleted, David. Oh yeah, I changed my YouTube channel, David. What is it?
Sam's Cool Channel.
Wait.
You're first.
Oh, it's Sam's Cool Channel.
Yes.
Yeah.
It is.
And you can watch the Roblox video that we're doing right now. Yeah. Oh, did you?
I did. Wait, does David go to your school?
Yes, he's in my class.
Oh, great.
It has nothing.
He's walking so slow.
Yeah.
Where's the mouse?
He just fell off.
Oh, okay. Well, look, it's me. Hello.
5 stars?
Yeah, that's me.
5 stars for you.
Sam!
Wait, I wanted to see if it goes back. Oh, it does. Hey!
Yeah.
Yeah.
He keeps moving it back. so you can't see yourself.
Sorry.
Oh, you guys are on.
Yeah. Stop talking, Dad. We're on YouTube.
See, that's really rude.
Sorry, David. Sorry, David.
So
Sorry.
if you see me in the video, I'm gross. I look awful. Hello. That is not a guy.
Yeah.
They're probably just gonna be like, did you just steal my gender? Okay, so you don't need to shake that. So if you shake that, then nobody's gonna watch it. Gee.
It's been recording for 5 minutes now. 5 minutes and 50 seconds.
Great.
Now,
I'm a tough guy with a sweet heart.
oh.
You have a tiger on your back.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah,
that's sweet. It's gonna bite your girlfriend's head off, along with your head.
Yeah.
Call that sweet.
Just not mine. David, if you didn't know, mine is very pretty. Oh. One.
Ow, I hit my head against the wall. I'm smart, so
I'll do it again.
I'm smart because I hit my head against the wall, so.
I did it.
Don't throw it.
It's something like grandma.
I got
Yay!
first place.
I got second again.
Nice.
Oh,
It has
whenever I say again,
It has nothing to do with grandma.
yeah, of course it does. Whenever I say again, it was before the video. We
Yes.
were playing it before the video, and we were recording, but then it stopped on us.
Do you think we should end the video now?
And I think we should do one more round.
I don't think we'll be able to. Actually, no, we'll be able to.
Come on, we need to do more videos. So let's record one more round.
Okay, then.
We need to make my YouTube channel good. I only have a couple subscribers.
You have no subscribers on this channel you just made.
Oh, on this channel right now. I have
Oh
two.
my gosh, do that. Can you not move the head? Sam, stop. I'm serious.
Yeah, I had the flu.
Yes, you did. But he's fine now, so no worries.
No worries.
Welcome to Fashion.
I won't call
Okay,
for
the category
you.
is Snow Day.
Snow day. I don't know what it is. I'm sorry. Don't they wear like jeans? Because they put like sweatpants on and then jeans under it. I think that's what happens.
It's called Snow Day. The category is called Snow Day, just so you know.
Sleep. Right here, I'm going for this here because you're like, oh, it's Christmas, it's snowing. So then you just run out of bed and then your hair would be like, yeah, I know it's not.
2018. But it is winter, so I'll give you that.
Yeah. Okay. Done. Done, 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 done. Burpees. Okay, what face would you have if it was snowing?
If it was snowing, I'd probably be sad because I don't like cold.
What?
Yes.
I would be happy. Yay. It was so cold outside, I grew. It was, yeah. Okay. I would shiver, so I'm gonna get blue. I'm gonna be blue, Riley. What are you gonna be?
Why are you blue?
Because getting cold.
That doesn't mean you turn blue.
I know. I'll go back. I need to go
Unless you're like on like the 5th stage of hypothermia. I don't know. I don't even know if hypothermia has a 5th stage. Just saying, Sam. You already have experienced the 1st stage of hypothermia in your life.
I have, yeah. Wait, what is that?
Hypothermia?
Yes.
Cold. It's like when you're so cold. try to
yeah.
explain.
I have. Boom.
The first stage of hypothermia is just shivering. Like, if you're so
Oh.
cold, you're shivering. And
I've already had the second stage.
it's not that dangerous. But, like, unless it gets to, like, the third stage, then it starts to get dangerous. The second stage is pretty dangerous, too. Not gonna lie. Actually, I hate this hat. I'm removing it. I wish
I don't know anything cold. Oh, there's something. Ah. Now I don't know any pants. Where's some good?
I think I'm done. This is my outfit. Wait, where are you? Here in the clothing section. I'll just choose my clothes first.
Wait, Riley. Where do you get the...
So, by the way, this is my look, everyone.
Where do you get the scarves?
The scars are in there, in the red place. You have 6 seconds, so this is me. I'm right behind you.
Okay.
Oh, I can't catch up. This is... Why can't I catch up? This is my look. Okay, you probably couldn't see it.
Paris, France. It's been 11 minutes. And 15. 15 minutes?
I think after we both go, then you might want to pause it.
Yeah.
Actually, let's pause it until you get on.
Yeah.
Okay, so
We're
we're
back.
back. Oh, hey, look, it's me.
Look, you started over the video.
No, we didn't. It's
0-0.
no, it's fine.
No, it's not.
So I'm just saying that means hours.
But look, 0-0.
That means hours.
Oh, it's done. We're back, guys.
Yeah.
Okay, here we go.
So yeah.
Oh. Bye, guys.
Thanks so much for watching. Like,
Thanks so
subscribe.
much
You
for
don't have to do an
watching.
outro. Just say thank you so much for watching. I'll see you later. Goodbye. That's basically.
Okay,
And
just bye,
think
guys.
about an outro.
Just bye, guys.